Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug here. I'm debating on whether to go ahead and pop my little fig shoots or hold up on it. But I don't know, I might let them stay a day or two longer. Now my pineapple, this is the pineapple Starkey's Farmstead sent from Hawaii. Here again, you can order these right here, direct from Hawaii, and they get the money direct. You cut out all the charities and BS's all the way. Just order it right there, order it online, they'll ship them to you. Now, they're very easy to root. You take, see the roots? It's hard to do this one-handed, but I'm gonna try. You just lay it down when you first get it, and you take and you peel all these little shoots off. You tear them off, up about an inch, and then you stick it in water, fresh water. Keep on fresh water every day or two, and you'll see the roots starting to form. And I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pot that rascal. Just plain old newspaper. I set this down on the newspaper, draw a circle, cut it with my scissors, take this, stick it down inside. That's strictly to keep some of the soil from washing out. Now what you see going in there right now is about 3/4 worm castings, close to 3/4. You don't need that much, but look, I have a lot of worm castings, so I'm a firm believer, don't let it go to waste. The more you put in there, the less time the less you got to put in the future. All right. Plus, on top of all this, my ginger. It's getting to be about that time of the year. It's getting chilly at night, and the ginger's kind of turning around a little bit and dying back and what have you. But I'm not actually sure if the ginger is quite ready. Now you got to be real careful here. I don't want to mess this up because I'm kind of partial to this pineapple. Pack it down gently. The roots are tender. Just pack it down real gently. Okay. Now, put a little more in there. Okay, it's looking a little better. All right, got to be real gentle. It's looking a little better. Put a little fresh dirt around the edges. I don't want to break those roots. No, indeed. Not after all the trouble I went through to plant, just root this thing. That little rascal's kind of shaky, but I think it's going to be okay. My wife's going to kill me on the back porch, putting worm poop everywhere. And she's told me 1,000 times, don't pot your plants on the porch. Don't do it. Sounds like Joe Biden whispering here. Anyway, there it is. That is the pineapple rooted. So you set it in a container, take the water it was rooted in, pour it in the container, and it'll soak it up from the bottom, and that baby ought to be good to go for a day or two. I'll come by and check it out again tomorrow. There it is, people. Now, remember, Samantha Starkey is supposed to send 6 more of these. And when she does, I'm gonna root them. That'll bear in 2 years. It'll bear a pineapple and 2 suckers. The suckers will bear in 1 year. Now, and then this will bear again. So actually, 2 years you get 1 pineapple. 3 years you get 3. And plus 2 more suckers. So I mean, it's going pretty good. Now the next thing I'm looking at is my ginger. I don't know about the ginger. It's kind of dying back a little bit, getting ugly in spots. But I don't know if it's quite ready to harvest yet. I really don't know. I reckon I could dig around and find out. But it's starting to die back. Get some of that mulch out the way. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that ginger. Look down in there. I don't know if you can see it. That's beautiful. Smells good too. Oh yeah, that's two of them for sure ready to go. I don't know about this third, but let me see. I don't see, oh yeah I do. Oh, it's down there deep. Yeah, I do. I might just go ahead and harvest that the next day or two. Hey, Pawpaw, Sammy, and other bug. Like and subscribe.